Hi, today we'd like to show you how to make a unique Christmas tree using some crate wood, bit of paint and some stunning Ryobi tools. Let us show you how. What we're going to do now is sort out some material for us to use, and as you can see we have some crate wood here. We'll choose this piece. We will choose the top over here, and then we'll put our tree together. The first order of business would be to rip these in manageable sizes. We would then mitre them and affix them to this centerpiece, which will become our main support for the Christmas tree. Let's do it. What we're going to do now is set this machine on 100 millimeter to prepare to rip the material. What we do next is all these pieces of timber that we have cut, we will start mitring them. We will mitre each one. The size of this unit you decide, and as you go up you cut them 20 millimeters smaller than the previous one. So if this first one is 800 millimeters, the next one you will cut would be 780, and that is how you progress along the tree. Let us mitre the first one. Having cut all your material for the body of the tree, what you have to do is mark the center of each slat that we have here, and also mark the center of your base. You would then use this center line to place them all nice and center and nice and straight, so you have them dead center going up all the way. What we are going to do now is use the Ryobi XNS 1800 Naile stapler, which will allow us to staple this unit easily and precisely. Having fixed all your slats on your tree and attaching the base, we have now given this tree a coat of white paint, but you can give vent to your expression and paint it whichever way you choose. I'm sure some of you are more artistic than me. And there you have it, your perfect DIY Christmas tree.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.